Hi, ma'am. Good day, Ma'am Michelle. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, hello ma'am. Good morning. I'm Michelle Ocampo. I'm 40 years old from Philippines.
All right. And then, what is your marital status?
I'm married ma'am, but
Good-
I don't have a baby.
Okay, so you have no kids.
Yes po.
All
Yes
right.
ma'am.
Okay, so please tell me about your educational background.
My educational background, I finished 2 years in college
Okay,
as a tourism.
all right. And then, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have. I have one brother and one sister.
All right, thank you. And then, how would you describe yourself?
Uh, I'm a hardworking person and I'm honest.
All right, thank you. And then, do you have any work experience abroad?
I don't have. This
Okay.
is my first time.
Okay, but you have work experience here in Philippines.
Yes, I have a lot of experience in here in Philippines.
So please tell me about your work experience here in Philippines.
My recent work, I worked as a house helper for 4 years, and before that, I work in a hotel as a housekeeping. And year 2015, I work as a sales representatives in the mall.
Okay. So what is your duties and responsibilities working as helper in here
Uh,
in Philippines?
my duties and responsibilities as a house helper is included cleaning the house, vacuuming the floor, and washing the dishes, washing the clothes, anything.
Okay. So did you take care children?
I haven't.
All right. So are you willing to take care small children, baby or elderly person abroad?
I prefer elderly, but not baby. I'm
Okay.
afraid to handle a baby.
All right, sure. And then, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I'm not. I'm a animal lover.
Okay. So, how can you describe your cooking skills?
My cooking skills is good. I can cook most dishes Asian.
All
But
right.
I can learn Korean food and
Okay.
Chinese food.
All right. So, are you willing to learn new dishes?
Yes,
Okay. Good. So, do you have any food allergy?
I don't have.
Okay. So, for the last question, Mom Michelle, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
My final message to my future boss in abroad, Ma'am, sir, I can work hard. I'm a honest person. You can count on me about working. I'm 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 a patient person, and I can communicate with you with honesty.
All right. Thank you.